Most IP complaints aren't rejected for being false. They're rejected because the proof wasn't there. Every complaint starts with one question: is this person actually the rights holder? That means a valid trademark or copyright registration, not a claim, an actual certificate. This is where most complaints break down. Sellers file from different countries, with different registration systems, and the documentation often doesn't hold up. And it's not just legitimate sellers making mistakes. There are sellers with no real inventory filing bulk complaints just to harass competitors. If the registration proof isn't solid, the complaint doesn't move forward, regardless of how legitimate the underlying issue might be. Having valid registration isn't enough. You also need evidence that clearly shows the infringement, a real side-by-side, not a vague claim. Even genuinely legitimate complaints get stuck here. Unclear screenshots, cropped images, evidence that doesn't actually demonstrate the infringement. The complaint doesn't get rejected outright, it gets held. The case stays open under merchant action, waiting for the proof that was missing the first time. This is the step where most real complaints stall, not because they are wrong, but because what was submitted wasn't enough to act on. Every complaint that reaches this point gets evaluated against a fixed set of internal guidelines, not a gut call by whoever's reviewing it. Even genuinely new or unusual situations get worked through the same structured process, because the standard has to apply consistently across every case, every time. That consistency is the whole point. It's not designed to make filing a complaint difficult. It's designed to make sure a complaint that gets approved is actually defensible, and that someone can't take down a legitimate seller's listing on a claim that doesn't hold up. Your complaint wasn't rejected at random. It failed one of these checks: registration, evidence, or the internal standard behind it. Now you know what it actually has to clear. Subscribe to EcomClarity for what's really happening behind the scenes on Amazon. Has your IP complaint ever gotten rejected with no explanation? Comment below.